Hello students, today I am going to teach you the first chapter of algebra, that is linear equations in two variables. Actually I have posted one video related to this chapter, but some students didn't get that one, and also some of the students have problems related to 7th and 8th question of the exercise. So here I am going to start this chapter, linear equations in two variables. So what a linear equation in two variables means? An equation which contains two variables and the degree of each term containing variable is 1 is called a linear equation in two variables. In 9th standard you have learned that ax plus by plus c equals to 0 is the general form of a linear equation in two variables where a, b, c are real numbers and a not equals to 0, b not equals to 0. If we take two such linear equations in two variables at the same time, then they are called as a simultaneous linear equations. And last year you have learned two methods of solving the simultaneous linear equations. One was equating coefficients, elimination by equating coefficients, and another method was elimination by substitution. So first of all we will revise both these methods. So I have taken here one pair of linear equations, 5x minus 3y equals to 8, this is equation 1, and 3x plus y equals to 2, this is equation number 2. If you observe here, equating the coefficients of y is easy in this problem. So if you multiply equation 2 by 3, what we get? 9x plus 3y equals to 6, this is equation number 3. Now we have changed this equation, so don't consider this one. In equation 1 and in equation 3, if you observe, coefficients of y are equal and their signs are different. If the two terms, those we have to eliminate, have different signs, then we have to add the two equations. So adding equation 1 and 3, what we get? 5x minus 3y equals to 8 plus 9x plus 3y equals to 6. 5x plus 9x equals to 14x plus 3 minus 3 plus 3y minus 3y gets cancelled. 8 plus 6 is 14. X equals to 14 upon 14, and we get value of x as well. If we put this value of x in any of the three equations, suppose I put here value of x equals to 1 in equation 2, we get value of y. 3 into 1 plus y equals to 2. 3 ones are 3 plus y equals to 2. Y equals to 2 minus 3, and 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So we get here value of x as 1 and that of y as minus 1. Let us see if we get the same values by another method, that is by substitution. So I have taken here two equations, same 5x minus 3y equals to 8, equation number 1, 3x plus y equals to 2, equation number 2. In substitution, we have to make the equation either for variable x or for y from any one of these equations. So here we can get value for y from equation 2, y equals to 2 minus 3x. This is equation number 3 that we get from equation 2. So now don't consider this equation number second. Putting this value of y equals to 2 minus 3x in equation 1, what we get? 5x minus 3 in bracket 2 minus 3x equals to 8. Now we have to multiply each and every term in the bracket by this 3. 5x minus 3 to the 6 plus minus into minus plus 3 3 is 9x equals to 8. 5x and 9x being the similar terms, we add them up. 14x minus 6 equals to 8. 14x equals to 8 plus 6. 14x equals to 14. X equals to 14 upon 14, that is 1. We get value of x as 1. Putting this value of x equals to 1 in equation 3. We can put in any of the three equations, but to find out the value of y, putting this value in equation 3, it becomes very easy. So y equals to 2 minus 3 into 1. Y equals to 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. And we get the values for x and y, 1 and minus 1, which are the same as we have got that in the equation, by the method of elimination by equating the coefficients. Now I take here second example, 3x plus 2y equals to 29, this is equation number 1, and 5x minus y equals to 18, this is equation number 2. Here if you observe, multiplying equation 2 by 2, we can equate the coefficients of y. So we get the new equation 10x minus 2y equals to 36, this is equation number 3. Now the two terms, those we have to eliminate, have different signs, so we have to add the equations. Adding 1 and 2, what we get? 3x plus 2y equals to 29 plus 10x minus 2y equals to 36. 3x plus 10x equals to 13x plus 2y minus 2y gets cancelled. 29 plus 36 equals to 65. X equals to 65 upon 13. 13 5s are 65. So we get value for x as 5. Putting this value in any one of the three equations. Suppose I put this value in equation 2. What we get? 5 into 5 minus y equals to 18. 5 5 is 25. 25 minus y equals to 18. Transpose this 25 to the next side. We get minus y equals to 18 minus 25. Minus y equals to minus 7. Minus sign on both sides gets cancelled. Y equals to 7. And here we have the solution. X equals to 5 and y equals to 7. Suppose we solve these equations by another method, that is elimination by substitution. Let us see if we get the same answer. 3x plus 2y equals to 29. This is equation number 1. 5x minus y equals to 18. This is equation number 2. We get equation for y from equation 2. Y equals to 5x minus 18. This is equation number 3. If we put this value of y in equation 1, what we get? Putting y equals to 5x minus 18 in equation 1, we get 3x plus 2 in bracket 5x minus 18 equals to 29. By this 2, we have to multiply each and every term inside the bracket. So we get 3x plus 10x minus 36 equals to 29. 3 plus 10, 13. 13x equals to 29 plus 36. 13x equals to 65. X equals to 65 upon 13. 13 5s. We get value of x as 5. Putting this value of x equals to 5 in equation 3, we get y equals to 5 into 5 minus 18. 25 minus 18, 7. So we get the same values, x as 5 and y equals to 7. Okay, let us see one more example here. This is another pair of linear equations. 5x plus 3y equals to 9. This is equation number 1. 3x plus 2y equals to 5. This is equation number 2. Multiplying equation 1 by 3. Why I have multiplied here? We can eliminate either x or y by equating their coefficients. Okay, suppose here we have to eliminate x. Then we need to multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 5. So 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15. Here in this case, coefficient of x will be equal. Multiplying equation 1 by 3, we get 15x plus 9y equals to 27. This is equation number 3. And multiplying equation 2 by 5, what we get here? 15x plus 10y equals to 25. This is equation number 4. Now in both of these equations, coefficients of x are equal and these two terms have same sign. When the terms which have to eliminate have same sign, then we have to subtract the equations. Subtracting equation 3 from equation 4, what we get? 15x plus 10y equals to 25 minus 15x plus 9y equals to 27. When we subtract, we have to change the signs of each and every term in the second equation. So 15x minus 15x, 0. 10y minus 9y equals to 1y. 25 minus 27 equals to minus 2. If we put this value of y in any one of these equations, we will get value of x. So putting y equals to minus 2 in equation 2, what we get? 3x plus 2 into minus 2 equals to 5. 3x minus 4 equals to 5. 3x equals to 5 plus 4 equals to 9. So 3x equals to 9, that's why x equals to 3. 3, this is multiplied, it will get divided here. 3 3s are 9. So we get values for x and y as x equals to 3 and y equals to minus 2. Okay, let us see one more example, but this is of somehow different kind of example. Here are two linear equations. 15x plus 17y equals to 21. This is equation 1. 17x plus 15y equals to 11. This is equation number 2. If you observe here, coefficient of x in equation 1 and that of y in equation 2 are equal. Similarly, coefficient of x in equation 2 and that of y in equation 1 are equal. When you encounter such kind of problem, what you have to do? First of all, you have to add these two equations and then you have to subtract these two equations. adding 1 and 2, we get 15x plus 17y equals to 21 plus 17x plus 15y equals to 11. When we add, we have the result 32x plus 32y equals to 32. If you observe here, each and every term contains 32. So we can simplify this equation dividing both sides. By 32, we get x plus y equals to 1. This is a one simplified equation. Now once we have added, now we have to subtract these two equations. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. What we get? 17x plus 15y equals to 11 minus 15x plus 17y equals to 21. When we subtract, we have to change the signs of each and every term in the second equation. So 17x minus 15x is 2x, and here 15 minus 17y is minus 2y equals to 11 minus 21 is minus 10. If we divide here by 2, we get a simplified equation x minus y equals to minus 5. Now we have two simple equations, x plus y equals to 1 and x minus y equals to minus 5. If we add both these equations, y will get eliminated. So adding 3 and 4, what we get here? X plus y equals to 1 plus x minus y equals to minus 5. X plus x to x plus y minus y gets cancelled. 1 minus 5 equals to minus 4. So 2x equals to minus 4, x equals to minus 4 upon 2, 2 2s are 4. So x equals to minus 2. Putting this value in equation 3, what we get? Minus 2 plus y equals to 1, y equals to 1 plus 2, that is 3. And we have here the solution, x equals to minus 2 and y equals to 3. Okay, so this is a worksheet that I have given. Here are 8 problems. I'll post this to all of you, but some students have problem in these two questions 7 and 8. I'll solve this one for you, and afterwards you solve by taking the reference of this one. Okay, so what is our question number 7? Here are two linear equations. 99x plus 101y equals to 499. This is equation number 1. And 100x plus 99y equals to 501. This is equation number 2. Okay, if you observe, this is a special kind of example where coefficients of x in first and y in second are equal. It's the same way coefficient of x in second equation and that of y in first equation, both these are equal. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to add these two equations. First of all, adding 1 and 2, what we get? 99x plus 100y equals to 499 plus 101x plus 99y equals to 501. So when we add this one, this is the result, 200x plus 200y equals to 1000. If we divide both sides by 100, we get the simplified result, equation x plus y equals to 5. Now once we have added, now we have to subtract them. Subtracting equation 1 from 2. 101x plus 99y equals to 501 minus 99x plus 101y equals to 499. When we subtract, we have to change signs of each and every term in the second equation. So 101x minus 99x, we get 2x. 99y minus 101y, we get minus 2y. 2x minus 2y equals to 2. When we divide by 2, we get a simplified equation, x minus y equals to 1. Now when we add these two equations 3 and 4, y gets eliminated, x plus y equals to 5 plus x minus y equals to 1, x plus x to x, y gets cancelled, 5 plus 1 6. So x equals to 2 3s are 6. We get value of x as 3. Putting this value of x as 3 in equation 3, what we get? 3 plus y equals to 5, y equals to 5 minus 3, y equals to 2. So the solution is x equals to 3 and y equals to 2. If you don't understand any one of this problem, do one thing, see or watch this video once, twice, thrice. If you have any queries, okay, then ask me. I am here to answer or clear your queries.